how to download Snapchat Media and Memories. So if you want to download your Snapchat Media and Memories, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your Snapchat application. After opening your application, you need to go with your profile, which is on the top left, and then go with settings, which is on the top right. And now you need to scroll down and you'll find an option of My Data. If you don't find it, you can go with My Privacy and Data, and then you will find My Data option. Tap on My Data, which will be under Manage My Data section. Now Snapchat shows you all the list of data that you can extract. If you only want your media and memories, you can select the memories option and tap on other media. And once you've selected these two options, you can go with next, which is on the bottom, and select the date range. And after that, confirm your email address right here and then go with submit. And after submitting, within a few hours or within a few days, you will have a file ready to download. In that file, you will have all of your Snapchat media and memories. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.